Maggie.
Hello.
Wait, we've known each other for how long now?
4-5 years.
4-5 years. She has been my number one model. You guys, look at this beauty, Jesus. She's so pretty.
This is how she's so wash me. This is how she's so wash
hey,
me.
Jesus. If I'm not washing. Can you see what I'm seeing? This is
so
skin. Jesus.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show you guys a little behind the scene. I and Maggie will go way back about 4 or 5 years, like she said. Today she's going to be my model for this beautiful Nigerian traditional wedding makeup look, and I already started off with her brows off camera. Now I'm going ahead with eyeshadow. I'm going to be using the Afrique eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be using some colors right there, those two colors exactly. So I'm just going to let you watch this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you haven't. Subscribe down below, guys. We're almost at 1K. Like, this is my dream. Please subscribe if you haven't, and if you're already subscribed, there's a bell beside it. Please click on the bell so that you always get notification every time we upload a new video. And don't forget to drop me a comment below so that I will know if you guys would love to see more videos like this. And yeah, thank you so much. So in case you were wondering, I already did her skin prep off camera before I even started her brows, hence why I was very careful with that pigment, because I didn't want it to fall all over her face, because I won't be able to clean the face anymore, you know, for foundation. So yeah, I already cleansed, moisturized, and also used my rose water and a bit of primer on her face. And here I go, just spreading this foundation all over her face. I think I did a good job with the foundation match. Like, it's so pretty. Look at that, so flawless. I love those two foundations, the Milani and the Maybelline. They blended in so smoothly. Look at that, so beautiful. Take you to the village for a minute.
There you go. Hey, see, whoever is going to pay your bed price, they should beat them, oh. Hey. Just